One day I was in practice with him, right? And I'm guarding. He took 2 dribbles to the basket and pulled up on me. And he said, Rip, add that to your game. It's the hardest play in the game to guard, the mid-range shot.
Ayan din ang advice ko sa mga bago kong players. Madalas kasi nakikita ko sila nag-euro step kahit walang bantay sa harapan nila. Sabi ko sa kanila, bakit hindi nyo na lang itira yung bola? Tirahan nyo ng perimeter. Mas mahirap bantayan yung perimeter, yung jump shot, yung pull up, kesa i-euro step nyo.
The greatest player in the game of basketball told me that's the hardest play in the game to stop. Why wouldn't you add that to the game?
Makes a move. Denzel. Worst case scenario, we're going to overtime. Jokic a screen, Murray to try to break the tie.